Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the syllable patterns lesson, word study lessons, day 8 for Fudge-A-Mania. We can use syllable patterns to help with our reading and spelling. We know that syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound in it, and we are working with 4 types of syllables. The first one is the closed syllable or CVC syllable. That is the one that has only one vowel and it's pronounced with the short sound. And your two consonants are closing that vowel, like in the word him. The second type is the open syllable. That one only has one vowel. It comes at the end and it's pronounced with the long sound, like in the word he. The third type is the R control syllable. That's the one that has a vowel that is followed by an R, like in the word hair. And then we have the VCE syllable. That is a syllable where you have a final E and the vowel says its name, but there's always a consonant between the vowel and the final E, like in the word hide. That E makes the I say its name. So today we're going to look at the words. It says that longer words are composed of syllables. Well, today we have all these words that are one syllable. Start, drive, smile, prize, burp, first, stand, short, run, fly, stop. All of those have just one syllable. So let's see if we can find the ones that fall, let's see, closed syllable type. Which ones do you think I should circle as the closed one or label as the closed syllable? Good. Run. That is the closed one because I have a vowel in here and two consonants closing that vowel. Run. Do we have any other ones that are closed syllable type? Stop. Very good. Vowel. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Stop is the closed one. So C, it's a shorter version for closed, or you can say closed. Closed. Anywhere else we have the closed one? Yes, stand. You can always pause this video, write these words, label them, and then rewatch it and see if you were right. Okay, so we have 3 closed. How about open one? Open, remember, is the one that there is a vowel at the end. Open. Do we have any open ones? Open. Now wait a minute, I have an E in here, and I have an E in here, and an E in here. Are those open syllable types? No, those are VCE because I have a vowel, consonant E. So this is VCE. Prize would be VCE. Any other ones? Keep on looking. There's one more. Drive. Good. VCE. So we have closed syllables, open, VCE, and then there was a 4th type that was R controlled, right? There was a vowel that is followed by the R. Start, vowel, and R. So R controlled. Burp, U and R controlled. First, I and R controlled. And short, O and R controlled. Okay, that's not that hard, right? We can do it. Good job. Thank you for working hard.